Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you very much for your love and support. I really appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress, and I bring it to you back to back. In this channel, we react to our videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So just grab your share and carry your popcorn, and let's deliberate on today's updates.
Where package arrangement of the federal government, why the matter is still going on? They back themselves somewhere, carrying cops, carrying everything, talking about the same thing. You see a web package, well, I'm happy. I'm happy it's happening. I have something to report to you. I'm the Senator of Igbo Lawyers Association. Yes. So I have something to report when I go back. President General, okay, they want them.
What I can see here is a challenge. Not second, like I've been standing with your body here. All the English. What second, what I can see as a fabrication is nonsensical, insensitive, and absolute idiotism in the highest order. What second, I say this in the greatest sense of respect. Whoever fabricated this time to get to this spot. I wonder why these laptop people will even come in this way. They can prepare somewhere like this.
When you come to her in her judge, One Nation. What group is this? One Nigeria.
Lawyers that are involved in the prosecution of Nnamdi Kanu, we are here to encourage them not to be discouraged and not to be intimidated by these miscreants that go around threatening them.
Killing our soldiers, killing our police.
We are here to say to them that many are, we that are for them are more than they that are against them. Nigerians are with the security forces, Nigerians are with the police, Nigerians are with the GSS, Nigerians are with the army. It is only Nnamdi Kanu and his cohort that are bent on devising and destroying this country. Nigeria is a united nation and we are united in one purpose here today to say enough is enough of this madness of IPOB.
Yes, enough is enough. What's your name? My name is Mama. What is your name?
Nigeria people! Nigeria people!
You're here to support One Nigeria. Yes. You are supporting One Nigeria. Yes. Okay. Unu afụla otu osisi na ọ bụrụ nke m ga-eji ọnụ kọwawa ihe na-eme ebe a. Mmadụ niile na-afụ otu o si aga. Ọ pụtara na o nwere ndị otu bịalụ ngagharị iwe jilu ọkọlọtọ Naijiria jikwela ihe ederede ka ha bịalụ ndị bịakwara ịkwado Nnamdi Kanu n'ụlọ ikpe anwa sokwele gụwakwa egwu nke ha so otu na-abụọ a na-agụkwasị onwere egwu na-agba egwu anyị ajụbeghị nke awa onye ijụrụ
BBC Igbo kwuo n'eziokwu for once.
BBC Igbo na-ekwu ọkwa anyị nọ ebe a na-afụ ya ị na-asị BBC Igbo ọkwa mụ na gị nọ ebe a mana mụ na gị nọ ebe a mana mụ na gị nọ ebe a
nna biko onye na-ege ntị ge ntị ike gọọmenti sponsọ ọdọ
mana mụ na gị nọ ebe a ị na-achọ ibo mmiri
ọnụ owu Igbo na-ekwu
ịbịakwa obi ebe mere mụ na gị nọ ebe a oke dịka o si mee ndị bịara ịkwado Nnamdi Kanu n'ụlọ ikpe ebe a na-agụkwa egwu nke ha dịka ihe ha efu kemgbe ihe ha bido enwebeghị esemokwu pụta n'etiti ndị otu abụọ a na-eme ya n'udo ndị uwe ojii.
No negotiation is going on. After watching this particular side of this video, I see the reason why action will be taken against the Nigeria government. Do you see what they asked their people to come and do in the court today? This is a time for everybody to come together, to pull heads together, please. Everyone need to pull heads together and see what they can do. In your little way, you can start fighting for this agitation. You must not carry crowd. You can as well do it on your own. This is unacceptable. This is so wrong. How can the Nigerian government do this to a man that commit no crime, no offense? With this that I saw today, I know very well that something else is fishing. Alright, my wonderful family, please do well to drop your opinion for me in the comment section. I am still learning. Anything that you think about this video, please drop it in the comment section for me. Thank you very much once again for your love and support. I really appreciate. See you when I see you. For me to you, I say bye.